Well, can you contact him? Alright, can you guys hear me? Cool! Oh, great, the chat is on top of the Come on, give me the edit. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Let me quickly let me remove this. There we go. Boom. So now you guys can actually see the stream. Cool. Hello, okay. Wait, let me get to the chat in just one second here. Let me close this. Streamlabs here. I'm gonna keep the chat right next there. Okay, so I wasn't expecting to do this stream. Like this morning, I was thinking like maybe I shouldn't do this stream because maybe not many people will come on. But actually, we're having a pretty good turnout, I must say. I don't know how many viewers we have right now, but let me quickly check. I've got a couple Twitter notifications to catch up with. We've got 10 viewers, so that's pretty good. Okay, I thought we were just gonna get like 2 or 3 because usually when I stream at this time, I barely get any viewers. But it's pretty good. Okay, so we have just a normal user. We have Miles Tech. We have CDF Man. We have just a normal user again here. The Nintendo Zone. Welcome to the stream. Welcome Lucas. Welcome Apple World and Gregory Allen. Welcome to the stream. Oh, by the way, we've got a new Patreon. I'm pretty sure it's Gregory Allen. I've got to double check, but we've got a new Patreon, which is cool. Pixel Buds are the biggest joke you can buy. Yes, exactly. My new mic sounds bad. Does it? There's an echo on the stream. Okay, can you guys hear me now? There we go. There shouldn't be any echo now. Should be fixed. Anyway, after school, I need something to laugh about. Yeah, hopefully this is gonna be a laugh. People are saying, "Oh, Google has been bamboozling us. They've been faking all the leaks and stuff." I would love to see that happen, but I highly, highly doubt they're gonna do that. Google, like, yes, they're a cool-ish company, but they're not gonna be able to pull that one off. Especially if they release the Pixel 3 and 3 XL and it looks exactly the same as all the leaks. I will boo. It's gonna be so good. I'm in a new Discord server. Cool. By the way, I've got a Discord server. Link in description. Cheeky plug. Okay. I think I'm gonna post this on the link to the stream on Discord as well. By the way, is the stream looking good? Hopefully we won't get any dropped frames throughout. It's 30 frames a second, so it's not the highest quality, unfortunately. But hopefully we should be good. Because my Hackintosh has decided to not work, so I'm using Windows, and Windows hasn't really been that good. Watch their latest video. They aren't. Yeah, I have watched their last video. They were like, "Oh, everyone knows everything about the Pixel." Like, just imagine they just announced the Pixel and it looks exactly the same, and then it just has like the notch could be blacked out, like the sides of the notch. Just imagine that. We are reacting to the Google event live at everyone. I like the music. Music of Google event. Right. Because 3 isn't gonna look like that. That would be great. I mean, imagine if there's a 3rd Pixel. That'd be awesome. So people are saying, "Oh, but they're gonna announce a 3rd Pixel and it's gonna come out next year." Why would they do that though? Why would they announce a phone like a year in advance? Like that just, come on. Like you could just go into Photoshop and just make a mock-up of the iPhone 20 and be like, "This is the iPhone 20. We'll release it in 20 years." Like, I still need to buy the hoodie. Yeah, don't worry about it. It's cool. Okay, good luck. Thank you. Hopefully we don't get any fan droids on here. Who the heck made this? Someone made that as a thumbnail because I said, "Oh, I need a thumbnail for tonight's stream." Not tonight's stream, today's stream. That's the music from the Google stream. And a couple people made thumbnails, but then I found out Photoshop was working on my PC, so I was like, okay, let's just make something real quick, and I just made the thumbnail I made. I should have prepared for this stream a bit more in advance, because I didn't really. I kind of left it to last minute. Apparently Google is releasing a new tablet, which is surprising because, you know, tablets and meh, somebody said no thanks. Deal with it. So apparently Google is just gonna, they're gonna be announcing the new Pixels, of course. People are saying Pixel Watch, but that's kind of been, yeah, Google said themselves that they're not working on a smartwatch, so that's pretty much it. Who's this? So probably we'll just be seeing a Pixel, new tablets, Pixel book, new Pixel book, which is gonna be a little bit bezel-less, but, and maybe a new Google Home update. That'd be cool. Maybe an update to the Home Mini, like make it better, make it listen to you a lot better, make the microphones a bit more powerful. Okay, let's put my phone on Do Not Disturb so then we don't get disturbed throughout the stream, and just enjoy it. We've got 2 more minutes left, so hopefully you guys are hyped, because I kind of am. I want to see if Google is going to be surprising us today. I don't think so, but maybe. Am I too far away from the mic? Should I move the mic closer, or is it good? Because from what I can tell here, it's pretty good. There, that's good. And you see, how many viewers have we got right now? 13 watching now. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm just gonna like occasionally check that. Just like what Apple did with AirPower, Google will say Ultra Pixel is coming soon. Well, the thing is, Apple said it was coming in like January, and we're already at October now. No word about AirPower. It was announced over a year ago. Kind of funny. Just like what Apple did. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. My Wi-Fi was so bad. Ethernet is much better. Yeah, sometimes Ethernet does tend to be better. I'm not connected to Ethernet, I'm connected to Wi-Fi. If I were connected to Ethernet, then probably the streams would go a lot better. It's good. Okay, cool. Cool. We don't need the keyboard and mouse. Let's just relax for this. Relax and just roast Google every 20 seconds. I need to close my rings today as well. We're coming to you live. Made by Google 2018. Find out what we've been up to this year. The keynote begins at 11 a.m. EDT, Eastern Daylight Time. Stay tuned after the stream. Join the conversation made by Google. Nomad came out with a version of AirPods, but it don't work with the watch headphones. What? I heard Nomad came out with a version of AirPower as well. That's coming out like next month or something. I need to contact them and get them to send me one. 10 megabytes on Wi-Fi and 90 on Ethernet. Wow. I actually need to see how fast my Ethernet is, because maybe it's worth routing a cable from downstairs up to here. Because the reason why I don't use Ethernet is because it's a bit too far away. I might use it if it's faster though. Like my Hackintosh is the only device we have in the house, the only computer in the house that actually has fast, that has Ethernet basically. So unless there's an Ethernet adapter that I can get for Mac, that'd be cool. Ooh, it's starting. Will they have like the DJ like last time? I mean AirPower, not AirPower. Yeah, AirPods. AirPower. Welcome to the squad. New York City. Is the volume of the stream good, guys? Should I put the volume up a little? That is one cool screen. That is insane. Whoa. I mean, it's not as good as the Samsung one. Samsung one was really cool. But I like the shape of it.
Can't stop leaking. We pretty much know everything there is to know about the Pixel 3 as well as the Pixel 3 XL.
We have a very clear image now of this Pixel 3.
You know pretty much everything about it. No matter how hard you try, you literally can't get anything past the internet.
The notch is gonna have that face. Now what? They'll just come on stage. Here is the Pixel. I must say Google's ads are pretty cool. No, if I do that, then I'll get a copyright strike or something. I've done that with the last Google event, and I got copyright claims. So I'm not gonna be switching. Okay, that was weird. I thought my computer restarted for a second. Go back to 1080p, please. Please help me, help me, help me. Ooh. Actually, I could put the chat here. Woo! There we go.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Trying to be
great to see you all here. You're going to hear a lot more about help today. I'm so glad you've joined us. We're shaking things up a little bit with a new venue, some new faces, and a new city. Special welcome to our friends in the media. We've also invited some of our top sales associates from Verizon and TELUS. Welcome. Yeah, that's right.
Is it TELUS Canadian?
For you out-of-towners, thanks so much for coming here to New York City to be with us. So this year marks Google's 20th anniversary. And for 2 decades, we've been working towards our mission of helping to organize the world's information, make it more accessible and helpful for everybody. Delivering information has always been in our DNA.
By the way, guys, the stream is dropping frames a little bit.
We love working on really hard problems that make life easier for people in big and small ways.
Yeah, exactly.
And I wanted to tell you a couple stories about what I mean about this. So even after 2 decades, we're constantly working to shave as many milliseconds as possible off of our search time.
I'm not sure what you're saying.
That focus
has
caused us to push into a bunch of new areas.
All right.
We designed our own servers. We designed an operating system to run our data centers. All of this so you could find search results faster.
Yeah.
But if we're really going to help people, we need to make sure we provide the most relevant search results. And we can only do that if we know what people are asking for. So we set out to understand the nuances of language and the intent behind the words. As we progressed on that, we realized that we could help with translation too. That's led us down a path of developing completely new technologies, software, hardware, and the AI that underlies it all. And now we're translating 143 billion words every day in more than 100 languages. And now more people can say what they want to say to each other. Beautiful, hello, thank you. These are 3 of the most requested words in every language. And with speech recognition as good as it is, we can roll out voice interactions across our hardware devices so your devices understand you when you talk to them. We can lessen the pain of responding to emails by suggesting quick responses. And Smart Compose in Gmail even offers to finish your sentences as you type. It can suggest relevant, contextual phrases and cut back on repetitive typing, like addresses.
This is the event.
Smart Compose is already saving people 1 billion characters of typing each week. And it's coming to mobile first with Pixel. So with our
Oh, come on. I think someone's using the TV downstairs. Let me quickly... Actually, let me check. Maybe there's...
improvements in language, the Google Assistant is much better at getting things done for you, like
just go to 720p.
Booking a restaurant reservation over the phone. That's our duplex technology you saw earlier this year. These incredible technologies you'll hear about today are built on this 20-year history of making information more accessible and helpful for people. This is also true of our work in imaging. Many of you in this room say last year's Pixel 2 still takes the best pictures, even in a year with so many amazing flagship phones. That's not a fluke. Pixel's camera completely rethinks how images are captured, and we can trace that intelligence directly back to Google search. We noticed very early on that people were using Google to search for images, even though our results weren't perfect back then, because we were looking at meta tags, we were looking at surrounding text, and that was just really a workaround. But what we really needed to do was look at the images themselves. So we spent years researching computer vision technologies, analyzing hundreds of millions of photos, and now we're getting better all the time at recognizing objects and faces and even concepts within an image or a scene. And we have all kinds of ways to put this technology to work for you. Like right now, you can search through your photo library, so pictures are accessible wherever you are without any work from you. And we can help take a stunning portrait photo, just like you would with a DSLR. And we can smooth out shakiness in your videos.
It's just like
you can also point your camera at a movie poster, get local theater listings,
someone's got
maybe
a
even look up an actor's bio.
What?
And we've invented a new type of camera, put it on a fleet of cars, and then drove those cars all over the world to give you a detailed map of the world. So from searching, to translating, to getting a great photo of the world, when we see an opportunity to help people, we go the extra mile. Our deep investment in AI over many years is at the core of our ability to push forward in many areas at once. And you're going to see this in a lot of our products today. I say this every year, but the big breakthroughs you're going to see are not in hardware alone.
How delayed is it?
They come at the intersection of AI, software, and hardware working together. This approach is what makes Google's hardware experience so unique, and it unlocks all kinds of helpful benefits. When we think about artificial intelligence in a consumer hardware context, it isn't artificial at all.
I can do anything about it, guys.
It's helping you get real things done every day. A shorter route to work, a gorgeous vacation photo, a more efficient home. Our guiding principle here is exactly the same as it's been for 20 years. To respect our users and to put them first. And that guides our work in three very specific ways.
Like 20 seconds.
First, we want to respect each user as an individual and provide them with their own personal Google. Just as Google is organizing the world's information, we can combine AI, software, and hardware to organize your information. Your experience and the help we provide you is unique to you. The Google Assistant is the best expression of this, and it's always available to help provide help when and where you need it. Second, we're committed to the security of our users. We need to offer simple, powerful ways to safeguard your devices. One way we do this is at the OS level. Google Play Protect is the most widely deployed mobile threat protection service in the world, and it constantly works in the background to keep your devices and data safe.
Oh, our camera's the best in the world.
We've also integrated Titan Security, the system we built for Google data centers, into our mobile devices with a new dedicated chip. Titan Security protects your most sensitive on-device data. By securing your locks, we've created a closed loop for your data
And as
across
I said,
the Google ecosystem.
blind camera tests, I've done that.
We know people want to hear a lot about this, so you'll be hearing more about it throughout the day.
All right, see you later then.
A vital third theme of ours, we want to make sure that you're in control of your digital well-being. From our research, 72% of users are concerned about the amount of time they spend using tech, and we absolutely share that concern. So we've developed new tools that let you control your devices instead of those devices controlling you. We're introducing new, simple ways to cut down on notifications and distractions. We can help you understand the amount of time you're spending with different applications and set app limits so you can switch them off when you want to. And we're providing parents with simple controls over screen time with the family. We feel a deep responsibility to our users to provide a helpful, personal Google experience while keeping their information secure and making sure they're in control of their digital well-being. These things really matter to our users, and it shows in their response to our products. The enthusiasm has been absolutely great this year. Our Google Home devices are expanding into more countries and more homes. Our daily active users have grown by 5x in the past year alone. And test after test concludes that Google Home is the most accurate and most helpful home assistant device. It does the best job of filtering out background noises and understanding different people's voices. And it now offers help in multilingual homes.
Google did come out with the screen
Pixelbook
time first.
has had a huge year as well.
But literally,
The Verge said Pixelbook is stellar. It's elegant, sturdy, fast, and smartly designed. And both Pixelbook owners and a lot of you tech reviewers gave it the edge over other premium laptops for its speedy performance and innovative design. And the colors are deeper. The phone is just all around more helpful than when it first came out. We're really proud of the progress we've made across the whole Made by Google family. But you probably don't want to hear too much more about last year's products. So let's talk about what we've been working on. So first, for Life on the Go, we designed the world's best camera and put it in the world's most helpful phone, introducing the beautiful new Pixel 3.
Oh, okay. The beautiful new Pixel 3.
And for Life at Home, we designed, for Life at Work and at Play, we're bringing the power and productivity of a desktop to a gorgeous tablet called Pixel Slate.
I'm interested in the Pixel Slate, to be honest. I don't know.
And for Life at Home, we designed a smart display so you can hear and see the info you need and manage your connected home from a single screen. Introducing Google Home Hub.
I prefer the Apple, the world's most simple screen. Well, let's see.
And here they are, coming up here in the pedestals for the first time, seen in real life. Go ahead, you can take a couple photos if you'd like.
That is honestly so cool, honestly. Like.
Try not to knock them over, because if you break it, you have to buy it. Give you about 30 seconds or so.
Oh, that's cool. I was like, take pictures, quick.
I gotta get a shot of these. These look great.
It was black. Yeah, black and white iPhone.
Wow. Okay, all right, we can start to put them away. Don't worry, everyone. You'll get more time with them in the demo area. Are you trying to take one out of there? I would too.
Sure.
But please don't.
I would just grab it and just chuck it on the floor. Or just see if
I think they look great. They look great, right?
They're not. Come on, show us.
Well, let's talk about the design, because I think the design of this year's products are absolutely terrific. Just last month, Fast Company named Google the Design Company of the Year for our efforts in both hardware and software design. We've seen incredible progress in material design, our adaptable open source system of guidelines, tools, and components that support the best practices of user interface design. And this has resulted in some truly beautiful evolutions of the applications you know and love. And this year's new devices fit
Kickstarter
perfectly
to force
with the rest
people
of the
to buy them.
family.
Yeah, they're gonna be like,
That's due to the amazing
you will
Ivy
buy
Ross
this
and her
Pixel
wonderful
or
design
die.
team. They've really, yes.
I like that they pull
They've
all the
really
color
pushed us to think
coordination.
about how technology can be designed for the way you live today. And the design world has taken notice. Over the past year, Made by Google products have won more than 45 of the design industry's top awards.
Okay.
Ivy's going to give us a rare peek into her design studio
Can
and
you
share some of the
please
details about her
show
team's
us the
philosophy
Pixel?
and approach.
Come on.
Let's take a look.
Wait, you've got to be kidding me. The Pixel book is one of the most well-designed products of 20... Come on, Google. We know you paid them.
I think we're
Paid
all
by
craving
Google.
that a little bit. What is the design language for Google? Bold and optimistic, human in our forms, in our colors, in our shapes.
Uh-oh. We just saw the notch.
As technology progresses, it needs to be closer to us. Soft circles and curves evoke something natural and familiar. How that language shows up will evolve over time.
Design awards.
I think technology has to fit into
They
place.
paid the companies to give them
It will
awards.
eventually be invisible. The design challenge is to make that transition smooth and beautiful. Our job is to figure out what it feels like to hold Google in your hand.
So cool.
Dude,
So
yeah,
cool.
sure. So cool.
Some of the best examples
And
of the
then look at
amazing
this
work
notch.
that Ivy and her team have been doing is in the most important place in your life, your home. Fast Company named Google Home Mini the most innovative product design of 2018. And consumers love it too, as it extends access
I'm
to the
alright with the
assistant
Google Home Mini. I
in
have
more places
one,
throughout the home.
but the microphones
With
on it are
Google
garbage,
Wi-Fi,
and so is the speaker.
We're using mesh networking and AI to extend your home Wi-Fi network. Google Wi-Fi is still the #1 router, and it's the simplest way to make sure that your connection speed is good and your home network is well managed.
Google.
You might have heard that we're bringing together Google and Nest so we can solve deeper problems in managing
Well,
people's
if you love
homes.
Google, then you better leave this
The
stream
right way to
because this
do
isn't for you.
this is to start
I'm
with
gonna
the
be very
basics.
critical.
The smart home of 2018 is too complex with siloed technologies and interfaces. Your smart home really doesn't seem too smart when you can't figure out how to turn on the lights or set your home security system. So together with Nest, we're pursuing our shared vision of a thoughtful
Google
home
too. Good.
that isn't just smart,
I like Google,
but
but
it's
I hate their
helpful
design
and simple enough
team,
for
Pixel.
everyone to set up and
I
use.
hate the Pixel.
Nest defined the thoughtful home with the Nest Learning Thermostat, which is the #1 product in its space. And it's helped save over 25 billion kilowatt hours of energy. Nest also has the top-rated
boring.
products in connected security cameras, smoke alarms, and doorbells. So working together, Google and Nest can shape how these technologies come together for a more helpful, thoughtful home. To show you what that means, let me bring Dia out to talk a little bit more about the newest addition to the Google Home family. Dia?
We want to see the Pixel. We came here for the Pixel, Google. I love Apple and their software optimization and Google for their software.
Thanks, Rick. Hey, everyone.
optimization.
Thanks so much
Yeah,
for being here
I do
today.
as well.
Let me tell you about how we've reimagined Google for the home. 2 years ago, we launched Google Home with the goal of helping you and your family simplify the hectic moments in your life. And we've seen that this is striking a chord with our users. The number of queries on Google Home has gone up by over 400% in just the last year.
Yeah, they get paid for clapping.
But now,
I mean, they're getting a free phone, so
not only being able to hear a response back when you ask
most
Google
of them are getting
Assistant a
free
question,
phones, so
but imagine being able to
because
see
they
a
get the
response
free
back.
phone and then they can sell it.
That is the power of Google Home Hub. With Google Home Hub, we've redesigned Google's most helpful services like search, YouTube, Maps, calendar, and photos. So they're easily controllable with your voice and provide glanceable help. Today, all of us use many different display devices in our homes, like phones, laptops, and even tablets. But none of these were developed with the goal of helping you and your family in your home environment.
Yeah, but why do you need a screen? Why do you need to buy a physical device with a screen on it when you can just use your phone or your tablet? Like,
how should it interact with you and your family? What kind of help should it provide?
To go home after that.
How should it look in any room? So we spent countless hours on the design of Hub. We incorporated soft rounded corners and premium materials, including our own custom fabrics.
Actually, some people on the Google hardware team actually use iPhones
to complement any room,
which is kind of ironic.
The elegant floating display is big enough so that you can see things even from across the room.
You can see it's attached to that thing.
But it's small enough to fit in any space in your home.
Oh, really? So can it fit under my desk?
We also consciously did not put a camera on Hub, so that it was comfortable to use in the private spaces of your home, like your bedroom.
Yeah, but it still has a microphone.
We wanted to make sure
you still have a microphone in it.
Is not a bright glowing screen in your home. So we made sure that Hub can respond automatically to the ambient light in the room. To do this, we developed a feature called Ambient EQ. With Ambient EQ, we take a dedicated sensor and combine it with our own imaging algorithms so that we can fine-tune the brightness and color of the display. So now, Hub can respond automatically to the bright white tones of natural light that you get during the day, and then gradually shift into the oranges and yellows of your indoor lights in the evening. You can feel the magic of Ambient EQ when you look at your photos on Hub. And of course, Hub automatically turns its screen off at night. So now, no matter what time of day, which room, and even your home decor, Hub can blend seamlessly into your home.
FYI, my Apple Watch can
we also wanted Hub to be a communal device, one that works for everyone in your home.
The best product is YouTube.
So we trained Hub on Google's industry-leading speech recognition technology. By using voice match, Hub is able to recognize
I also think Google is a great product.
It's able to provide a personalized
hardware is a bit
each and every user in your home.
Like
today, 85%
they're great at software
of Google Home users are using
They're great at so
by now you're probably wondering how Hub
Google
works.
Photos,
so
Google
let me call up
Docs,
Mark, one of our product managers, to show you Hub in action.
How's your day going? My day's going pretty well. It's getting worse now though because I'm watching the Google event and I'm streaming it. So, and I'm.
Thanks, Dia.
That's a weird hairstyle.
Hello, everyone. I'm excited to share with you a few examples.
You really look excited.
Into my home. Mornings are crazy for most of us, and having a little bit of help would be awesome.
Do you get the 10s or you just have the 10?
I can
just
say,
have the 10. I have no
Google,
reason to switch to the 10s.
And
unless someone donates the money to get an iPhone 10s, I'm not gonna buy it because
Good morning,
I don't
Mark.
need one.
The time is 9 a.m.
iPhone 10 is just fine.
Currently in San Francisco, it's 64 and sunny.
And then I'll return
the best way to get to work by car is via US 101 South and will take 45 minutes. There are 11 entries in your calendar. By the way, remember to pick up eggs for dinner tonight.
Because Hub recognized my voice, it tells me everything I need to know while I'm finishing up my cup of coffee. And in the evenings, Hub is great at helping me make dinner and relax.
Oh, it can help you make dinner.
Google Home
Will it
Hub
cook
is
for
the
you then?
best display made for the kitchen.
I'm gonna buy this.
So instead of fumbling around with your phone or the tablet while you have flowers on your hands or you're washing dishes or wearing oven mitts,
there's something called Siri.
You can simply use your voice to get help in the kitchen.
And also, if you have a Galaxy device, you can use Bixby.
You can find out how many ounces are in a cup. You can even figure out what to cook for dinner tonight. My Hub gives me access to a huge library of recipes,
Hello, Dragon
including great dishes from Tasty. Tonight, I'm going to make two of the classics. Eggs Benedict with the French 75. Hashtag late night brunch. As you can see, with Hub, I can follow along step-by-step instructions to figure out how to make eggs
I thought you didn't have to
I can even watch a video to figure out how to poach an egg.
Okay.
Now, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about YouTube on Hub. The YouTube experience has been optimized, so I have access to a ton of how-to videos just by using my voice.
This guy definitely has
a good example is I can say,
he has an iPhone and he has an Apple
Google,
Watch hidden in his sleeve.
YouTube video. Now, Hub. Hey, Google. Show me how to carve a pumpkin.
Playing how to carve Halloween pumpkins on YouTube.
Very great syncing there. Oh, come on.
pretty epic pumpkin. And of course,
no
Hub is great for enjoying music as well. With YouTube Music, you can easily find the perfect song, video, or artist. Hey, Google,
Pixel 3 bad sales. Yeah.
Play something brand new.
It will sell very badly.
All right, here's some music on YouTube.
All I have to do is ask, and I have instant access to the massive catalog of music and videos. By offering the ability to hear and see your music on Hub, it really brings the concert right to your home.
Google, come on.
Through December, Hub comes with 6 months of YouTube Premium on us, including ad-free videos and our new YouTube Music streaming service.
I'm gonna buy it and then return it just so I get 6 months.
So we all know technology can make our lives easier and more fun, but sometimes it's really hard to disconnect and enjoy time with friends and family. Hub can help with that too.
Use Apple Music on it.
Just put Hub into downtime mode, and it won't interact
support.
with anyone in the house except for those critical things like alarms.
Yeah,
it's
it actually did.
Step,
the Apple Watch Series 4 apparently sold already like 4 million units or
We're also introducing a set of tools
and the Pixel 2 has only sold 3 million in the past year, so...
With filters, you can ensure that everyone in the home is enjoying family-friendly content.
Apple Music does the same thing. It doesn't cost
no matter if you're starting off your day,
well, I mean,
if you're learning something
YouTube
new,
Premium does
or if you're just chilling at home,
ad-free stuff
Hub is there to
on
help.
YouTube.
Back to you, Dia.
Without not supporting creators, because of course people say, "Oh, I can use ad block and then I don't get ads."
As
but
you can see,
you're
Hub
technically
really
not supporting creators you watch on YouTube.
But there's more.
Because they live.
As Rick mentioned, we want to build a thoughtful home for our users.
Ad revenue and stuff.
And where this comes to life the most is in how easy it is with Hub to set
yeah,
up,
exactly. Apple Watch is an
and
accessory.
Your devices.
The Pixel is like a main device, a phone.
At a glance. It truly is the hub for your thoughtful home. So let me show you how. Today, I have a few different smart devices in my home. Smart lights, thermostat, doorbell, and even a door lock. To be able to control and manage these devices, I have to go to multiple different apps. And if my husband wants to manage and control these devices, he has to go to the same apps. We have no one place to go to get the state of our entire home. Did we forget to turn down the lights and lock the door in the living room before going to bed?
You can use Apple Music on Android, but you can't use it on Google Home.
With Hub, we're introducing Home View. With a swipe down from the top of the screen, you can bring up a simple dashboard. The dashboard shows you the state of your entire home at a quick glance. And
I can do that from the control center on my
all
iPhone.
your devices.
I don't need to buy another
radically helpful addition to my home. Home View was designed to be super easy and intuitive to use with a simple tap or with your voice.
I just
got 3 months by room, so you can turn down the temperature in the bedroom and turn up the music in the living room.
Yeah, just turn it off.
All in one place for the very first time.
Yeah, probably your
and
husband
easily
has an
accessible by everyone in your family.
She probably has an iPhone as well.
And we're providing the same level of control even if you're not near your hub.
And then she has a HomePod
redesigned the Google Home app to be the mobile controller for your smart home. It has the same Home View dashboard as Hub. So now you can control all your devices from any phone, even when you're not at home. Now, with Nest devices, we have all the tools in place to help take the experience of a thoughtful home to the very next level. So we made sure that Hub was deeply integrated with Nest devices, like Nest Camera, Nest Thermostat, and even Hello Doorbell.
Watching this right
now. So for instance, if you're having dinner and someone happens to ring your doorbell, Hub will automatically show you who's at the front door. And you can tap a quick response or use your voice to let your guests know that you'll be right there. Many people have connected devices in their homes today, and they don't even know
bought Nest.
Hub can help with that.
Oh, wait, Nest.
Home View lets you control over 200 million devices from over 1,000 brands. Many of them in your home
for advertising.
So now, with a simple tap,
that is true.
That is true. You can control your dish hopper DVR, your Chromecast, your Vizio TV, and even your Philips Hue light bulb.
Yeah, exactly. Because
with Home View,
better.
You have all the tools in place to help you build and manage
blue and yellow shift,
whether you have a house full of connected devices like I do, or you're just getting started with your first simple smart light bulb.
I bet this lady's excited to pre-order the iPhone XR next week.
We've talked a lot about what Hub can do.
I never
But
thought
what
that
about
I
when
was
it's
ever gonna
not in use?
say something like that.
We designed Hub
Yeah,
to be the
me
world's
neither.
best photo frame so that you could relive your
Please
precious
show
moments
us
in
the
Google Home Hub.
pixel, come
We do this
on.
via a deep integration with Google Photos. Google Photos has over 1.2 billion photos and videos uploaded every single day.
Parties. Exactly.
So now you
everyone's
can select
clapping
any
every
album
20
that you've ever
seconds at an
created
Apple event.
or that was shared with you.
Even if they're
And
showing
we're
like
introducing a new feature called
an
Live
AR
Albums.
game that's pointless.
With Live Albums, you can just select the photos of people that you want to see. And what we will automatically do is create a new album with all the photos you've ever taken of those people. Your photos also never get stale. Because Live Album updates automatically every time you take new pictures. So it's been really amazing. Every time I walk by Hub and see a photo of my son or husband that I've forgotten about, it brings a smile to my face. And recently we came home from a family vacation to show our photos already displaying on Hub. Hub also makes it easy to share live albums with loved ones. So now my parents can see photos of my son show up automatically in their home. Now you also might be wondering, what about that blurry picture I took the other day? Will that show up on Hub as well? The answer is no. We use machine learning to only show your best photos on Hub.
What if someone like
automatically
Logan
filter
Paul
out blurry photos,
records that person in the forest? Will it show
random
that
pictures of things
person
like
on the screen?
And even duplicate photos. Now
like
with
just
Google
imagine
Home
your
Hub,
grandparents are
you
home
have
and then all
a
of a
great
sudden
way to actually relive your favorite memories.
Oh, come on, Google, seriously.
So, you can pre-order Google Home Hub.
This is worse than
Google
the
Store
Samsung
today for $149.
Okay, now that is not bad.
And it's also available on October 22nd at retail locations here in the US,
That
UK,
is
and
not
Australia.
a bad price. I'm probably not gonna buy one though. Unless someone donates $150 on Super Chat.
Google Home Hub is the perfect display to help you manage your thoughtful home and provide the help you need with the
How to get free YouTube
Check out this
Premium
video.
for 6
Thank
months. Just buy one and then return it. There you go.
Don't stop when I walk up on the tightrope. I can see things like a micro. Hey, go, go, hey, go, go. Don't stop when my heart spins like a cartwheel. The electric sparks that I feel. Hey, go, go, hey, go, go. Bim, bom, ba-da-ba-ba-da, bim, bom, ba-da-ba-ba, hey, bim, bom, ba-da-ba-ba-da, bim, bom.
The talk is more interesting than this keynote. Yeah, probably. The live chat is also more entertaining. Just imagine the HomePod 2 is has a screen. Also, those colors look ridiculous. Like, come on. That green and that pink. Ugh. So what is it? A tablet? It's not a tablet. It's like a Google Home with a screen, basically.
All right.
That's what it is.
As I mentioned earlier, Google's been obsessed with speed and relevance of the search information we can provide.
I would be laughing so hard.
We built this incredible search engine,
on stage.
but back then,
Just imagine they're like, here's the
browsers were just
pixel.
too
Oh, whoa,
slow.
no.
So then we built Chrome, a faster, more secure browser. But users still had to use our fast browser on their old, slow PCs. They took way too long to start up. They were a hassle to keep secure.
So
and they
you've
just
got to
weren't
buy
optimized for the web and app experiences we use today.
Chromebook
And we knew computing could be
that will
fundamentally
only
better.
run Google
So
Chrome.
we developed Chrome OS to represent a new vision for computing based on our core tenets of speed, simplicity,
The thing I love about
and
Apple
security.
is like all throughout their event,
Chrome
they keep
OS
every
brings
single
together
device
the best
secret
of Google. Search,
until the end.
AI, and apps and services all in one place. Now, your Chromebook boots up in seconds, not minutes. It lasts all day, and it gets better over time. It keeps up with the many aspects of your life because work and play are fluid throughout the day.
It has white bezels in their phones.
And that's
have
why
black bezels.
millions of people have used these devices.
You have a point
schools,
there. That is true. That is
homes,
true.
And businesses.
And then we
worldwide.
find out they actually have white.
Last year, Chrome OS took a big step forward.
We don't know yet.
With the
It
introduction
probably
of
will,
apps
though.
from the Google Play Store.
I have a feeling it does because we've
and
seen
also,
leaks of
with the introduction
like
of
a wireless charging
helpfulness
dock
from the Google Assistant.
Chrome OS is even
we
an
tied
OS.
this
It's
all
just a
together
blown up spy
with
browser.
the launch of Pixelbook.
It's literally just Google Chrome.
Pixelbook reviews from both the press and customers have been fantastic.
Are you serious?
People especially love its beautiful, versatile design.
It's beautiful, is it? Oh, really? How many did you sell? And how much does it cost again?
We're sharing a new
chapter like you paid
for our
people to
vision
say
for
it was a
Chrome
good
OS.
it was a good
with the launch
computer.
Of Google
MKBHD said it was a weird thing.
Here's Tron to tell you
Nobody
a little bit more
clapped. That is so cool. Now everyone claps, right? Oh yeah, a new person. We're not clapping about the Pixelbook, by the way. We're clapping about the person.
Thanks, Rick. Google Pixel Slate is a completely new experience, giving you powerful productivity in a fresh mobile form. Something that isn't a laptop trying to be a tablet. Because who wants a fan in their tablet? Or a tablet that's really a phone pretending to be a computer. Instead,
yeah, I mean, this is a tablet that pretends to be a computer.
So all of these devices to create a modern computing experience people have been asking for. We designed Pixel Slate to be both thin and light. Okay, it's crafted with beautiful lines and rounded edges in a stylish midnight blue.
Beautiful lines.
And it has a perfectly balanced center of gravity.
Crafted with beautiful lines on the top.
It's incredibly comfortable to hold. Pixel Slate is engineered with a stunning, detailed display. So sitting back to enjoy a movie,
it's a 720p display. Just imagine that. Like, it's a stunning display.
293 pixels per inch.
What?
That's 6 million.
Oh yeah, it's
super
crisp, guys. 293 pixels per inch. You heard it for heard it here first. It is way crispier, like 400.
Filmmakers who make movies
have a
in
mental
8K,
breakdown again.
they raved about this display. Let's take a look at how they reacted.
I'm gonna make a video about the new Pixel products, and I'm gonna. Look at that, 293 pixels per inch.
And
everyone complains about the iPhone 10R. Everyone's gonna be like, "This is the best display on any tablet ever."
Make sure our image looks the best it can be. To see the Pixel Slate representing that correctly is really awesome.
Clap now, or we will kick you out until all your data service. Yeah, or we'll share all of your data with Russia. Exactly, Pixelbook reviews are bad. They're horrible.
To get to this level of quality,
actually, I'm gonna go into Google right now.
Uses a custom display with low temperature polycrystalline silicon technology, which allows for 100 times faster movement of electrons versus a standard display. As a result, you can efficiently light up a massive number of pixels. Your movies.
Wait, what has 4.7 stars? How on earth does it have 4.7 stars in Google?
Brilliant resolution.
This is rigged.
Now, a brilliant display doesn't mean much without great sound. So with Pixel Slate,
brilliant display, 293 pixels per inch.
So
brilliant display.
You instead
Everyone
of
complains about the
326
pixels per inch on the iPhone 10R, but I bet nobody's going to complain about this.
We've also tuned our audio algorithms with a custom designed profile that gives you crisp highs and clear lows. This combination of an amazing display and dual front-firing speakers gives you the best entertainment experience you can hold in your hands.
The Pixelbook isn't cheap.
It's also a great device for cord cutters.
Nobody's probably bought it. Probably just the 400
TV.
people who reviewed it on Amazon.
We're excited to give you 3 months of YouTube TV with the purchase of a new Pixel Slate or Pixelbook. So you get live TV from more than 60 networks, including sports and local news.
That's a pretty good deal. Like, people are just going to buy the Pixel Slate.
You heard Rick talk earlier about our deep history in imaging and computational photography.
So
we're bringing some of that same innovative engineering to Pixel Slate's 8-megapixel front-facing and rear-facing cameras.
Wow.
Both cameras
That's better than the iPad, by the way.
So you can take great photos, including portrait mode.
Oh, come on. Like, you've got to be serious.
We've also
Nobody's
clapping.
Like, it has portrait mode.
Perfect for video chat.
Please clap.
It has a wide-angle lens, so you can fit everyone in the frame.
Who even uses Google Duo? Let's be honest.
And
who
a sensor
uses Google
with larger
Duo?
pixels, which allows for excellent low-light performance. Pixel Slate represents a new chapter
watching
for
an
Chrome
iPad
OS.
Pro. Lol. Yeah, keep your iPad Pro because
Let me
this
show you
is
how
not going to be worth
reimagined it for this new type of device.
iPad mini 4 needs a new iPad.
The UI is now optimized
oh, you have the iPad mini 4.
simple
Yeah, don't
and easy
get this. Get the
use
new
on a
iPads
touchscreen.
that come out later on this
It's
month.
a Chrome OS experience
just imagine
that's meant to be held in your hands. And at the same time, it gives you a full desktop
I wonder how much
experience.
it'll cost.
Not one designed for
I'm
a
guessing
phone.
around $700.
You can work the way that you're used to working. You can even run developer tools and full-powered Linux applications.
Linux applications.
Check out the reconfigured launcher. Instead of hunting for the app you need, machine learning customizes the launcher just for you.
It doesn't just offer a
Suggesting
browser.
the apps that you're most likely looking for. It's your own
You can buy
personal
that
Google,
for like
right
a couple
at your
$100
fingertips.
now, or dollars, whatever.
You can easily multitask
Fair, it
with
has
features like
higher
split screen,
pixels per inch than iPads.
which lets you seamlessly
But like,
shift
the thing is, who
between
complained
work
about iPad
and play.
screens? People say, "Oh, the iPad screen looks amazing."
And now with
the
Pixel
iPhone
Slate,
10R is
the
going to look
Google
horrible.
Assistant is even more deeply integrated within Chrome OS. Simply use your voice, and the assistant can help you find a restaurant.
iOS 13 will probably be an
dictate
iPhone
an email,
6, which has
or play your favorite
how many
show.
years old? Yeah, it will be on the iPhone 6. And the original Pixel isn't
Another helpful
even
feature
supporting...
is Family Link.
This
This helps you set digital ground rules for your family and gives you more control over
Android
how
10
and when your
next
devices
year.
are used. And when it's time to
doesn't
settle
have
in for the night,
ProMotion and
our new
DCI
Do Not
P3.
Disturb and Nightlight
Yeah, I
features
mean-
help you tune out distractions and gently adjust the color temperature of your display
looks disgusting.
to help you wind down.
Why do you have to turn the screen green? Yellow's
Now,
okay.
as
but
you'd
why
expect from
green?
us, Pixel Slate provides really powerful, hassle-free security. Virus protection is built in.
Oh, wow. Yeah,
The OS updates in the background, so you always have the latest security and features without
Is
any
it going to be like
annoying
Windows?
interruptions.
I bet
Pixel
it's gonna
Slate
be like
also
Windows.
includes a Titan
$1,000
security
because
chip,
Google.
so your information, device
What?
passwords, and
Skip
operating
what?
system are protected on your device.
I've actually looked up everyone
And to eliminate
who
the
worked
fuss of
on
typing your
Samsung
password,
ads, found out that
Pixel
they
Slate's
were all
power
using
button
iPhones
doubles
Max,
as a fingerprint
and those ads
sensor,
were even cut
so you
on
can
Max.
unlock it just
Yeah,
as quickly and
even
securely
Google's.
as you do your Pixel phone.
Google, there was a
Just
picture
touch the
the
top
other
and
day
you're good to go.
of like Final Cut Pro.
All
on
of
the
these
Pixel
amazing new
set, and
experiences
it's
on
like
Chrome OS truly make
Titan
Pixel Slate
security.
a perfect
It's
device
tight, people.
for play
It's tight security.
and work.
No, please.
But a true desktop experience demands a great keyboard. So we created the Pixel Slate keyboard, the perfect companion to Pixel Slate. The keyboard connects to Pixel Slate in a
Windows is
snap.
secure. Windows is a lot
No
more
pairing
secure than
or
this.
charging needed. Just connect it and start typing.
Actually, to be fair, this is probably more secure than
I
Windows.
love the way the Pixel Slate keyboard feels.
I can't wait
Last
to buy
year,
one and
TechCrunch said
install
Pixelbook has the
a
most
virus on it.
satisfying keyboard to type on I've ever experienced. So we took everything great about that keyboard and put it in a folio.
Wait, so is this a
Its
tablet or
full-size
is it a
backlit keyboard
laptop?
is incredibly comfortable to type on.
Okay, that's cool.
The rounded hush
keyboard?
keys are soft and quiet, so you won't be that person with the loud,
Because the
clackety
iPad
keyboard.
smart keyboard doesn't have.
And the full-featured
backlit keys.
trackpad works just like you're used to.
Why would you
folio
need a trackpad though on like
is
a mobile
infinitely
OS
adjustable.
looking thing?
So you can comfortably use it
Smart
at any
keyboard
angle you
cool.
like.
Yeah.
Use it at your desk, on a plane, or at your kitchen table. And when you're done with work, it turns into a slim, protective case that you can take anywhere.
No complain about the iPad screen. I've
Whether
seen
you're
so
using
many
Pixel
reviews about
Slate
them, and no one
with
complained
or
about
without
it.
the
It's like
keyboard,
that everyone's like,
there's
oh,
a
the display
universe
looks
of
amazing.
apps
It's
to help
120
you do
hertz.
more. G Suite is amazing on Pixel Slate.
G Suite.
Our powerful productivity tools are used by more than 1 billion people worldwide.
Yeah.
And people spend an
And look, it
incredible
has thick
74%
bezels.
of their
Then
time in
Apple's
these
gonna come
apps
out with a new
working
iPads
together.
later on this month, and it's like
With
super
docs,
thin bezels. And
sheets,
this
and
thing's gonna look
slides,
like from 10
you can
years
collaborate and create like never
Typical
before.
Google bezels forever.
Pixel Slate also uses the full desktop Chrome browser, so you'll never be limited by the mobile version of the site.
Honestly, this is.
And you can take complete advantage of the rich ecosystem of extensions and open as many tabs as you need to get work done. There are also millions of apps in the Google Play Store, from productivity to fitness to games and entertainment. We're continuing to work closely with Adobe and are pleased to launch the all-new Adobe Acrobat on Pixel Slate. It's a great example of how developers are optimizing their apps for Chrome OS. It lets you edit PDFs with precision, quickly fill out forms, and sign and annotate documents using the Pixelbook Pen.
Should I make a dedicated video on the
We also have new apps
Slate?
launching focused on helping you stay healthy. One that I'm really excited about is Peloton, because it'll help me keep up with my workout even when I'm away from my bike. And when it's time to relax, enjoy your favorite shows on Netflix or experience millions of worlds with Roblox. So that's Pixel Slate, powered by the reimagined Chrome OS. It's designed to be as versatile as you are, with a desktop operating system, a full keyboard and trackpad, a brilliant display, and the mobility and app support of a tablet. Pixel Slate comes in several configurations, starting at $599. Pixel Slate Keyboard is $199, and Pixelbook Pen, now in matching Midnight Blue, is $99.
Wait, what?
All three will be available later this year on the
How
Google
much is
Store
the Pixel
and at major
Pen?
retailers in the US, Canada, and the UK. Pixel Slate is truly a no-compromise way to work and play.
Can we please compare this
Let's
to the
take
iPad
one final
now?
look at it before I go.
Did I just see 298 pixels branch or whatever? Lol, the full Pixel Slate costs $900. Without keyboard and pen, $600. Alright, okay. Desktop OS is just a browser too. Exactly! It's not a desktop! It's just Chrome. I mean, the Pixel Slate costs even more than the budget iPad, and the budget iPad can do more. It's like for $400 you get the budget iPad, and it does way more than this. Lag. Yeah, guys, I can't do anything about the lag. It's my Wi-Fi. It's horrible. Solved. Okay, good. Hey, boo.
Finally, it's time to talk about phones. Google Pixel 3 is designed from the inside out to be the smartest, most useful device in your life. It's a phone that can answer
What's that
itself,
guy just doing standing
a camera
there, like...
that won't miss a shot, and it's a whole new experience when it's charging.
Pixel 3 was built with exceptionally beautiful and thoughtful design choices.
Beautiful?
It feels great to the touch and light in your hand.
Oh,
the
show us
matte
the
finish
notch,
on the
come
all-glass
on.
back is the first of its kind. It carries over our iconic two-tone design while providing a beautiful, silky texture that helps avoid fingerprints. We developed a new etching process that allows for both matte and glossy textures on the same piece of curved glass with smooth lines and seamless transitions. Pixel 3 comes in 3 colors: just black, clearly white, and a new color, which is not pink.
The new Pixel comes in 2 display sizes: the 5.5-inch Pixel 3 and the 6.3-inch Pixel 3 XL. Both of them share the same features, but we know users who want a bigger phone really want a bigger screen. So we've designed Pixel 3 XL's screen to extend all the way to the upper corners, giving users an edge-to-edge viewing experience with some extra useful space at the top. The flexible OLED is the best Pixel display ever. The new adaptive color profile provides a bright, vibrant viewing experience from any angle and in any lighting.
There's also a chin.
Both phones have bigger screens than last year's Pixel and a larger screen-to-body ratio. They feel smaller and more comfortable to hold.
Our front-firing stereo speakers are 40% louder and richer than last year, perfect for a video call or for playing music by the pool. The custom sound profile was developed for Pixel 3 by a Grammy-winning music producer for stunning volume and clarity. To get the most out of this incredible audio experience, Pixel 3 is the first phone that ships with a new YouTube Music streaming experience. And we're giving it to Pixel owners on us for 6 months. Between the design, the display, and the powerful speakers, you'll love how Pixel 3 looks.
That is true.
Everyone raves about the Pixel camera. And today, the smartest camera gets even better with the Pixel 3. It's so good, even professional photographers are shooting with it. We're excited to announce a new partnership with one of the most celebrated photographers of our time,
DxO bar.
Annie Leibovitz.
Wait, so you're like, how do I make this photo bit
For her
better?
latest project, she's using Pixel 3 to take photos as she travels around the country, capturing portraits of inspiring people and places. It's the first time that Annie has officially partnered with any camera, and we can't wait to unveil the series. And Annie is not the only professional choosing our camera. A few weeks ago, we gave the Pixel 3 to Condé Nast and some of the world's top photographers to shoot 7 magazine covers. Let's take a look behind the scenes.
I don't know if there's an notch or not. It looks like it.
This is the first time that Condé Nast has used a smartphone to shoot A-list talent for magazine covers like Glamour, W, and GQ. These photos are amazing. They belong on magazine covers and arrive on newsstands starting this week.
Now, it's no accident that Pixel's camera is ahead of the curve. It's a true end-to-end combination of our AI, software, and hardware. We're building on Google's deep expertise in computational photography. Perhaps the most obvious way it comes to life is with HDR+.
No one cares.
When we introduced zero shutter lag HDR+ in the first Pixel, it blew away traditional HDR
need for the
methods,
event either.
and we're still the only ones to use this method. When you press the shutter, Pixel captures a burst of several short exposures. We combine the images algorithmically to create an image
I've never seen something like this before.
And more colorful.
Whoa! Like
this technology
I did not see this last month with the iPhone.
And all of this is happening on device. Pixel Visual Core.
The notch looks even worse.
That takes complex imaging and data crunching power out of our data centers and puts it on your phone.
The notch looks sharp and
We built Pixel Visual Core into
no
Pixel
need.
3,
exactly.
making the camera even faster and smarter
because only the Pixel
to power
shoot
new
good photos
computationally
in a
intensive features.
No matter how great your camera is at capturing the finest details and reproducing
they are even copying the
colors,
numbers. Exactly.
You can still miss the perfect shot if you don't hit the shutter at exactly the right moment. Top Shot solves that problem. Let's check it out.
I thought the iPhone could do this as well.
All right, come on, girls, get together. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I wasn't ready.
Let me try again. Ready? Go, go, go.
We had live photos that exist years ago.
Oh, let's get a group photo. Ready?
This is basically live photos. Okay, if that's the microphone, that sounds good. This is a copy of live photos, and live photos has existed since the iPhone 6S. So
Pixel 3's camera is smart enough to know a good photo when it sees it.
Well done, Google.
Our machine learning is trained by analyzing millions of images.
There probably will never even be a Pixel 10, Marco.
Instead of sneezes.
I think Google will just discontinue the Pixel after this.
And the perfect moment of shock at a surprise party. Top Shot automatically captures alternate shots
that face
in
is gonna
HDR+.
haunt everybody.
So if your timing wasn't perfect, it'll suggest a better one. You can also scroll through the alternates and save one of those instead.
Welcome to Google.
And then there's
exactly. Welcome to 2015, Google.
Anyone who's tried to take a photo at a concert knows that phone cameras have terrible zoom. Instead of shooting a grainy photo, Pixel 3 shoots a burst of photos, each a bit different, taking advantage of the natural tiny movements of your hand. And you can guess what happens next. We run the variations through a merging algorithm to create a beautiful, zoomed-in shot, so you can get closer to the details and frame your shot the way you want. This technique of merging
Does it have a
slightly
front-facing
different photos
camera?
for higher resolution has been
Because
used
no
in
need.
advanced astronomy research to surface the image of Mars. The image of surface of Mars.
Many videos. I don't
Pixel
know
3
because they
puts
don't
this
want
technology
to.
into
They
a
think the
device
phone's
you can
boring.
hold in your
So
hand.
the phone is boring.
Another feature that we're really excited about.
It does
is
look worse than the
night
leaks.
sight.
At least the leaks looked
Life's
alright.
best moments aren't
Look
always
at that
perfectly
chin.
lit.
That is
a party,
so
a
big.
campfire with your friends, one last shot
This is an
before the
ugly
bar
chin,
closes.
like, oh, come on.
The typical solution for low light settings is the flash, which makes a
Photo
big
Live
scene.
is also in the
Blinds your
Lumia
friends,
640.
leaves you with an
Exactly.
unnatural looking photo.
My other
with
companies have had
uneven
it for
exposures and
years. And Google
Night
just
sight works
now
so
adds
well,
it. I thought
you'll
Google already
never
had
use your
something like
flash
that.
again. Let's take a look.
Never use your flash again. Then why do you still include it? Come on. Yeah, they probably just went there, they were taking the picture, and they just lowered the exposure on the 10S.
In extreme low light, we turn to machine
not
learning
low
to
light.
choose the right colors based on the content of the image. These shots
This
are
is
completely
definitely
untouched.
faked. Like, there is
Night sight
no
makes
way
Pixel the best
the iPhone
low-light
10S camera
smartphone
looks
camera.
that bad.
It's coming next
No
month
way.
to Pixel 3 and our other Pixels as well.
Okay,
You might
so
have
you don't
noticed
have to
the
buy the
second camera
Pixel
in
3,
front
they
of the
just
phone.
told you.
Let's see what it does.
Are you guys ready to take a selfie? Here we go. Wait.
Move your head towards mine.
Scoot over, scoot over. My arms are not long enough, you guys.
Get in.
Wait, but can't AI
Boys,
fix that?
back up, just a little bit. Back up. Back up. Stay in the frame. Stay in the frame. Willow, just stay in the frame.
Guess where I am.
Oh, did you see that?
Move your arm. We're not gonna fit. We're not gonna both fit. Just move your arm.
Move your arm. Just move over.
Hey, Mitch, could you, scooch in? I'm trying to take a selfie.
Oh, wait, one sec. Oh. All right, 3, 2, 1. Smile!
Google, no need. Your camera has AI. It could do all that with just one camera. No need.
Pixel users tend to get drafted as the official photographer, including for group selfies.
Are you serious?
And we want to help them be great at their job.
I have a Pixel. I'm a
So we added
photographer.
a second camera on the front that captures 184% more of the
The crowd
scene
does
than
sound
iPhone
depressed. They're like,
10s.
oh wow, why did I
Now you
why
can
did
fit
I
everyone in the
pay
shot
for
without
plane
a selfie
ticket to
stick
come all the way to New
or
York
usually long
to see
arms
something that we
like
already
mine.
knew about?
Just zoom out. The difference is striking.
Google, no
You aren't just
need.
getting more people
You
in the
have
frame. You're
AI.
getting more
Why do you
details,
need a second camera?
more scenery,
Why?
more of a story.
Just have a wide-angle lens, and then
For
with AI
photos
you can
and
zoom in or
selfies with
whatever.
even more story, we've got you covered.
Don't even need the
We've evolved
front-facing
AR
camera.
stickers to what we now call Playground and built it into both the front
Add
and
an
rear
S and
cameras.
that's Apple's Playground.
We've got lots of new content and characters.
Exactly. That is not the
including
10S
Avengers,
at all.
In
That is
celebration
probably
of
the
Marvel
Pixel
Studios'
1
10-year anniversary.
or something. So they leaked the ugly Pixel on purpose, but aren't surprising us with a better one. What's wrong with their marketing? Exactly. They were like, look
These
at how
characters are
good.
rendered
Look
to
at this
feel
Pixel.
lifelike
Everyone's
in
like,
the
it looks
scene,
disgusting.
and they
And
even
we're like,
interact with each other.
in your face. This is how it looks like.
Characters can now also respond to your actions and facial expressions.
Wow.
They look
oh,
like they're
dude,
really in the
I've
scene
never
with
seen
you,
this
but
before.
even
Guys,
more
I've never
playful
seen this before.
Photos and
Like,
videos.
Apple doesn't do this already.
And here's a sneak
Google is
peek
literally just
at
playing
the
catch up with
childish
this event. They're
Gambino
like,
character.
oh, yeah, we
working
could do
on
this
with
as well now.
Donald Glover. Coming soon to Playground and exclusively to Pixel.
Childish Gambino. The iPhone can
Sorry,
do
got a
that.
little excited there. Playground is
I'm not
launching
excited
on
at all
Pixel 3
because,
and will be rolled out to Pixel 1 and 2 soon, with more content on the way.
This event, seriously, dude.
And of course, Pixel 3's
Exactly.
camera is for so much more than taking pictures.
Those
Last
images
year,
and photos
we introduced
look worse
Google
than the
Lens,
10S.
which helps you do more with your camera
Yeah,
with what you
I'm
see.
sure they edited it to look
This
bad.
year, we integrated Google Lens directly into the Pixel 3 camera. Point it at a takeout menu, and Lens will pull out the phone number to call. Point at a movie poster to click through to the URL. Lens is now able to work instantly in the camera and on device for some of the
This
most
is
common
100%
actions,
Fake. They
even
tapped
without
on
a
the
data
background,
connection.
so the iPhone makes the pic look back.
This is
exactly,
only
and they
possible
lowered
by
the
combining
exposure.
Pixel Visual Core with our years
It's
of
not
work
that hard.
in search and computer vision.
Actually, I could take
Being
a
able
picture
to
right now
search
and
the
just
world
post it on
around you
Instagram and be
is
like,
the next
the
logical
iPhone
step in
XS
organizing the world's
keyboard,
information
the
and
iPhone
making it more
XS
useful
camera
for
looks
people.
horrible.
And we've been doing that in some fun new ways, like with style search in Lens.
Yeah, exactly. I could just.
So now
like,
when your friend's wearing a cool new pair of sunglasses,
there we go.
or you see some shoes you like
Beautiful
in a magazine,
picture
you can
taken
use
on the
Lens
iPhone
to
XS.
find them online and browse similar styles.
$250.
It's one more way we're
glasses?
integrating our AI, software, and hardware.
I think they don't realize
to
they're
create
in
the best
2018.
end-to-end camera experience.
2006 is gone.
There are a lot
Yeah,
of brilliant
Marco,
new
I agree.
superpowers coming in Pixel 3's camera.
This makes me feel
But we didn't have time to get
uncharitable.
through them all. I'm sure you don't want to sit through a
I'm adding
two-hour
this
keynote.
into the
So here's a quick
my
list
video
of
later.
some of the other features you'll see in our demo area later.
Photo booth mode automatically snaps photos with a smile or when you make a funny face. No shutter button needed.
With motion autofocus, just tap
Wait, so
on
just
people,
takes
puppies,
pictures
or anything
normally.
else that won't hold still, and they'll stay in focus as they move around the frame.
We made a few enhancements to portrait mode. You
Like,
can edit
wow,
the depth
the
of
iPhone
field in
can
a
do that.
portrait.
Like-
You can also change the focal subject of the photo, or make the color pop.
And one of the best aspects
Can you do
of
that in
Pixel
real
3
time, though?
is free unlimited storage at original quality. You'll never have to worry about storing, syncing, or finding your photos. Pixel 3's camera
And
is
for that
the
reason, the
best
Pixel
end-to-end
3 and
photography
3XL start
experience
at
ever
8
on a
gigabytes
smartphone.
because you do
We can't
not
wait for you
need
to try
like
it.
storage. No need.
So what about when you're
You
not
have
taking
AI.
photos? We designed
If you
Pixel
want
3 to
clouds, then you
take
put a
things off
picture
your
of an
plate.
iPhone.
So you
Exactly.
can spend more time
Just
enjoying the
do-
moment and looking at the world instead of looking at your
But
phone.
why it's so ugly?
As Rick mentioned earlier,
So
our new Google Assistant feature, powered by duplex technology, is able to help
That looks
users
even
with
worse
real-world tasks over the
than the
phone,
leaks.
like calling a restaurant to book a table. Pixel phones will be the first to get this Google Assistant feature when it rolls out city by city this month.
What,
Next month.
duplex?
One of these months. Next month. So stay tuned for details.
Next year.
And we're going even further to help you with phone calls with our new call screen feature. Let's say you're at dinner with friends or in a meeting at work, and a call
Google,
comes in.
It isn't 2011.
It could be something important,
doesn't have a
or
Google's
it could be
or
an
anything.
offer for a
I mean,
free cruise.
It is free, but
When you get that
yet
call
again, like who
and you
can't
can't
afford
or don't want to pick up,
$1 a month
just tap the
to
screen
get
call button,
50
and your phone will
gigabytes of
answer
iCloud
for you
storage?
and ask who's calling and why. As you can see here, the conversation is transcribed in real time on your screen. You can decide whether to pick up, send a quick reply, or mark the call spam.
That actually
You'll
is pretty
never
cool.
have to talk to another telemarketer.
That's pretty cool.
This all happens on device, powered by Google's AI. Call
Google-
screen launches
it is
today
in
with
2000
Pixel 3
yeah,
in the US
just
and
read
comes
that
to the
on the other
entire
screen.
Pixel family next month.
And we all know what it's like to be overwhelmed by notifications. Sometimes you just want to disconnect entirely. So we've developed a feature we call Flip to Shush, an easy gesture to minimize distractions. Just turn your phone upside down on the table,
Didn't they
and
announce
Pixel will take the
this
hint and mute sounds and
in
notifications.
June?
So you can have a quiet dinner with friends or
Or
spend
May.
some time with your family.
Didn't they announce this at Google I/O?
And finally, Pixel 3 includes our new Titan security chip. As Rick said earlier, Titan is a big step forward in how we safeguard our users' data with on-device
They've actually been
protection
getting
for login
subscribers.
credentials, disk encryption, app data, and the integrity of the operating system.
We have one last thing to show you. What if your phone could provide a totally different experience when it's charging? We're excited to introduce the smartest wireless charger ever, the new Pixel Stand.
Is it smarter than AirPower? Probably, yeah, because AirPower
As a
doesn't
wireless
exist.
charger, Pixel Stand is best in class. It charges your Pixel 3 super fast, even through cases. But Pixel Stand isn't just a charger. It changes the way you interact with your phone, thanks to the Google Assistant. When you dock your phone, the UI adjusts
it was
to be
announced
easily glassable from
uh,
across the room.
for Android 9.
You can control it with your voice
When
or
you
with
put your
one-touch
phone face
suggestions
down.
on the
But
display.
the iPhone has actually done that for
In the morning,
quite some time.
your
If I
Pixel
put my
3 is a
phone
more
face
thoughtful
down,
alarm clock.
the
The
screen
screen
won't
will
light
slowly
up, and
brighten
I
before your
won't
alarm
even
goes
receive
off, so you
notifications.
can wake up more
At
gently.
least I think so. Like that's.
And with help from the assistant, it knows your morning routine, the weather,
That
and can
notch
easily
looks
answer your questions,
horrendous.
similar to Google Home.
Play your music on Pixel's incredible
I heard the
front-firing
Apple
stereo
Charger. That's
speakers,
my
and
stream,
the cover
that's
art
not
is
theirs.
displayed on the screen.
That
Pixel
would be
Stand
funny,
also
though.
turns your
You
Pixel
just
3
copy
into
the-
a helpful component of your thoughtful home.
Then why do you need that Google Home screen thing?
House. And with Nest Hello, you can see who's at the door on your Pixel 3 screen.
Okay, there we go. You're basically saying don't buy our other products because the Pixel
frame
does the exact
that
same
delights
thing.
you with automatically curated memories
serious?
from your Google Photos
You're
library.
literally just
Again,
literally just
similar to the
destroyed
Google
the
Home
sales
Hub
for the
experience
Google
you saw
Home Hub.
earlier.
Well done, Google.
Pixel Stand transforms your Pixel 3, so you can get a more
Exactly,
visual, helpful experience from your phone.
I don't get it.
It's the best way to wirelessly charge your Pixel or any Qi-compatible device. Pixel 3 is available for pre-order now, starting at $799, and Pixel Stand is $79. Pixel 3 will arrive on October 18th in the US through Verizon and unlocked on the Google Store and Project Fi. On November 1st, it will be available in 12 more markets, including 4 new ones this year: France, Ireland, Japan, and Taiwan.
Well said.
And we also have a large selection of cases and accessories available from both Google and our partners. Check them out on the Google Store today. So that's the new Pixel 3. It's designed from the inside out to be the smartest, most helpful device in your life.
We literally knew everything about it, Google, so thank you for having this event and telling us absolutely nothing new.
A camera that won't miss a shot, and a helpful assistant even when it's charging. You could have just done a
press release at this point.
Before Rick comes back up, enjoy this short film shot entirely on Pixel 3 by the amazing Terrence Malick.
They use the gimbal.
I heard about this frog. It's a very tiny frog.
Why does the quality look terrible?
Also very special. If you touch it,
I don't know if it's my screen.
Your world can change.
Exactly, just buy the 10R. It does more.
And red becomes blue.
And it runs the best operating system ever. Nah, I don't think Pixel Ultra is happening. No, this is worse. There's no need of a Pixel, there's nobody who likes it. Exactly, nobody likes it! 5 people will buy it, that's it. Why should you spend $800 for a phone just because of the camera when you could just buy a DSLR for that price and it's going to be better? So where's the camera than the 10S? I mean, the 10S has a telephoto lens.
So there they are, the newest members of this year's Made by Google family.
And that is it.
We're taking an end-to-end approach to consumer technology that merges our most innovative AI with intuitive software and powerful hardware.
I don't know why they showed
Made by
that video
Google devices empower people to do more with their day so they have to do less.
No, it looked terrible. So I could.
And they can focus on what matters most. We've designed them from the inside out to give you your own personal Google.
Now, tell us.
Anticipating your needs, taking
why
things off your
have we
plate.
all been wrong about the
leaks? You got a
leaks?
first look at Titan security and how it's integrated into our mobile hardware for powerful protection in a simplified experience. And you've also seen how our approach to digital well-being is woven throughout the whole portfolio, from call screen to flip
one
to
more
shush,
thing.
and
We're releasing this
EQ
phone in
and
5
Family
years.
Link. We're taking our users' well-being very seriously.
Really?
With Pixel Slate, we've built a Chrome OS device for the way you work and play today. It's a powerful workstation at the office, and it's a home theater you can hold in your hands. With Pixel 3, we've built the first phone that can answer the phone. And we've also taken the world's best smartphone camera and made it even better.
Pixel 3 with a ton of extra
With Google
stuff.
Home Hub, we've built a radically helpful smart display which lays the foundation for
now
the
says
truly
one more
thoughtful
thing,
home.
I'm gonna fly to New York and kill him.
There's a whole lot more to these devices,
I can
and we're
imagine
really
Google
excited
doing
for
that.
you
They
to
copy
see that for
everyone,
yourselves in our demo area downstairs.
And that's it.
For those of you on the live stream, please stick around to see our products and more in-depth demos online.
That's it.
And also, head over to our fresh new online store.
Why did they make that video at the start of the event?
For full details, pricing, and availability.
Everything, did you?
Really appreciate you being here with us today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you for wasting an hour and 10 minutes, which I'll never get back, Google.
Here are some recipes.
I've got time to make a video.
Float one arm up and bring it down, and we're gonna swing.
Exactly, the 10R is better. Workstation, I can't even run Fortnite. True, that's true. I'm gonna try to fix my fresh new store. Waste. No Pixel Ultra. Exactly, no Pixel Ultra. That's it. That's pretty much it, guys. Literally, we found out nothing. It was underwhelming. Very underwhelming. I thought, like, oh, maybe Google will surprise us with a new Pixel Ultra or something.
Hi, I'm Maya, and I'm here to introduce you to the new Pixel 3.
Yeah,
and I'm Jason, and I'm...
We don't care. We don't care, Google. Just like you don't care about us. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this stream. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you got a little bit of enjoyment out of it. Because I didn't. It was super, super boring. Depressing. Yes, as Marcus said, depressing. And yeah, I guess I'm going to go now and make a couple of videos roasting Google. Because they deserve it. So yeah, what videos do you guys want to see, by the way? Okay, I'll go into the Google website. Made by Google. What kind of videos would you guys like to see? Would you like to see just like a recap? And that's it. Is it made by Google.com? I don't even know. I'm just gonna type in made by Google. Will the charger work on iPhones? Yes, it will. Oh yeah, let's go see the resolutions. Here they are. Oh, that was quick. Usually Apple takes like 10 minutes to get their thing on. Alright, let's go see Pixel. £739 here in the UK. Let's go see pre-order. 800. Okay, so the prices aren't horrible, but still, like, you can get, see, clearly white. Only 64 gigabytes! Are you serious? Take them down, mate. Just do it. I will take them down. I will be like, Google, you've got to be kidding me. You said, oh, what if you might be wrong about the Pixel? But, like, we knew everything. Just give me a second, guys. Hackintosh. Try to fix my Hackintosh because it's stopped working again. Anyway, I'm going to tear them brick by brick. Almost $1,000 for the Pixel. So, there you go. Piece of trash. Let's go and see. Whoa, no. Apple Sheep ran to the Pixel 3, please. Yes, it won't be an Apple Sheep, it will be an Apple Fanboy rant, which is even better. Because I will not be fair on Google whatsoever. Let's see the Pixel stand. Okay, so $69 isn't horrible. Apparently works with an iPhone, by the way. It works with anything. Hey, we are iPhones in their pocket. Make a short movie about the Pixel 3. I want to buy a Pixel 3 and just make a full rant about it. But I need money for that, so. Up to 10 watts with your... Okay, so wireless charging up to 10 watts is okay. I guess it's faster than the iPhone. I don't know how much the iPhone XS does. Google Pixel Buds. Still $160 and still a piece of garbage. Let's go see... Actually, I want to see the tech specs. Let's see the tech specs of the Pixel 3. It takes Apple 10 minutes because all the world watching them and no one cares about made by Google. Yeah, exactly. That's why they try to put it... Like, look at how thick that notch is. That looks horrible. Okay. 12.2 megapixel dual pixel camera. Okay. Android 9 Pie plus Google Assistant. Okay, well, if it didn't have Google Assistant, would it have Bixby? Like, come on. 4 gigabytes of RAM on an Android phone. It has the exact same RAM as an iPhone XS. Like, are you serious? And it runs Android, which means RAM management is horrible in Android. Are you going to the Apple World meetup in London? I would like to go, but The meetup is on my birthday. I may be going on Friday though to see him because like, you want to come down and we can just chill. Let's just take a moment here. 2915 milliamp hour battery. Are you joking? Are you absolutely joking? Snapdragon 845, we knew that. Bluetooth 5.0, dual front firing speakers, USB Type-C, a built for AR and VR, Google Daydream, Dream headset. Ew, look at that! How ugly did the original Pixel look? Holy cow. Okay, let me quickly open this program back up. Right, there we go. I'm just gonna let this do its thing while we keep roasting the Pixel. There we go. Oh crap. Never mind. Okay, now my headphones are stuck. Fantastic. Shows benchmarks, Google. Yeah, exactly. Shows. They didn't even mention DxO Mark this time. I just realized. Does that mean? Does that mean something? Did they try to get to pay DxO Mark, and DxO Mark this year were like, no, we're not getting paid by Google this time. We don't want to lose our reputation. Okay, yeah, there's literally switch to Pixel. No thanks, I'm gonna stick to my iPhone 10. What's the screen resolution? I don't know, it doesn't say. Tech specs, here it, oh no, yeah, here it is. Wait, no, never mind. Display. Okay, so the 3XL, they're both OLED. Okay, pixels per inch is pretty good. Corning Gorilla Glass 5, always on display. Where's the pixels per inch? Oh yeah, there's the pixels per inch, sorry. What's the actual resolution though? Like, you gotta show us the actual resolution, Google. Agree, this USB thing, and then continue, UFA boot. Whoa, go back. Inject NVIDIA, continue. There we go, copying files. Processors. Titan Security, Adreno 630. Like, these are just old specs. No, they didn't. Maybe Samsung paid them more. But the thing is, Samsung didn't brag about them in their event. 4 gigabytes of RAM. Why Google? Exactly. I do have to give cameras to Google. I mean, yeah, the cameras are okay, but still, they've added features that were on iPhones for years. Like that, being able to pick the photo after you've taken it. Like, seriously. Okay, I want to see Pixel Slate. Let's go and see a display of perfection. Let's see how perfect it is. Tech specs. £549. Okay, that's not horrible. Join waiting list. Are you serious? What? A tablet with an 8th gen Intel CPU? No, I don't want that. I want to see the display. If you want 16 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes. You can't get 256 gigabytes in these other configurations. Well, that sucks. Who on earth is going to buy the one with 4 gigabytes of RAM? Nobody's going to buy that. It goes up to $1,500. You've got to be flipping kidding me there. Because it's got an Intel Core i7 on a tablet. Like, who on earth is going to take advantage of that on a tablet? And then it's going to end up lagging anyway. With FOV. Why won't it show? Okay, here it is. 400 nits. Oh, okay, so that's not a horrible resolution. 2000 pixels. That can't be right. Yeah. Okay. I guess. It has Pixel thingy support. Who on earth is gonna buy the maxed out model and be like, this is a good tablet? It never hiccups. Like, of course, if you have an Intel Core i7 on a tablet. Let's see the thing. My iPad has A9 and is much better tablet. I mean, yeah, the A9 is most likely faster. Okay, now I'm interested in this. This is probably my favorite thing that they've announced, to be honest. Even though it's kind of pointless. If I had to choose one thing, this is it. Display. That's it. Nothing else. Sensors, light sensor has 4 colors, ports, WD, jack, never mind. New Google, just no, rent the heck out of them. I will make a short movie to make fun of the Pixel. Marco, I can't really do that though. I need a Pixel to show in the video. That would make it so much better because at least I tried it. By the way, thanks for the super chat, QTZ. I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay. Missed out on our launch event? Watch it here. No, because we literally knew everything about it before the event, so. It's just CPU. Intel just released today, 9th gen. Wait, did they actually? Google has so much money they could have made a way better phone. Exactly. They could have removed the notch entirely. The Google Assistant doesn't know about the Pixel 3 lol. I can imagine they're late with that. We did it with the Pixel 2. Yeah, that was kind of a skit, but like I want to have the phone in my hand. Maybe get a dummy. Maybe I could get a dummy that I could do. Look at that face, guys. How nice is that face? That is gonna haunt you in your dreams. Sick. Windows. Buy it and return it. Yeah, the thing is I need the money to buy it first. I missed the event. How can I watch? T-Tech Mania, honestly, you don't want to watch it because it was so boring and literally nothing. Google told us nothing about their phone that we didn't know already. So that ad that was going around was absolutely pointless. Absolutely pointless. Wait, can you still buy? Did they bring back the original Pixel? Nope, you can't buy the original Pixel anymore. And look, the Pixel 2 and 2 XL are still at full price. They're still being sold at full price. Are you serious, Google? Still selling your 1-year-old phone to that. I'll buy it for you. No, I'm joking. I'll never do that. Who would buy this thing? Like, honestly, who in their right mind would buy this thing? It looks terrible. Like, at least the smaller Pixel looks decent. It looks decent enough. I hate stupid notch. I mean, on the iPhone 10, the notch is fine because it doesn't really intrude, but this one is even worse. Like, this is giving me a headache. Google, how can you sleep with that? Exactly. You've got the Pixel sat right next to your bed that's looking at you at all times. It's like that face is. Once you see the face on the Pixel, you will never unsee it. Like every time you see a Pixel, you will see the face. You will see the face, and then there's the distorted face on the actual Pixel. Like, oh man. Wait, did they release a new Chromecast? Where is it? Is it accessories? No. Connected home. Yeah, Chromecast. Because they're different colors. Okay, first thing, their webs. Okay, no, it loads. Never mind. Hello, Raphael. How can no one ever complained about iPhone notch ever? No, exactly. Nobody ever complained about the iPhone notch. I bet nobody's going to complain about the notch on this one because it's a Google product. They're new to this. Like, are you serious? Look at that. Look at that. That is, what piece of garbage is that? That is an absolute piece of garbage. Okay, so what shall I roast? Okay, I'm gonna roast the price of the Pixel tablet thing. I'm just gonna I'm not gonna call it Pixel Slate. I'm gonna roast the heck out of the Pixel 3, especially the XL. Also gonna roast the heck out of how smart the charging thing is. I guess the home hub is alright. Like, that's the only thing that's alright about it. Chromecast is awesome though. Yeah, Chromecast is awesome. Well, ish. It's cheap. That I've got to give him that. It's cheap and it could do a lot of stuff. Making no phone would have been better. Exactly. Software feature was awesome, but hardware was yeah. Okay, I agree with you. Pixel. Yeah. See, this is I've just make the whole video. They're never gonna tell the difference between this and the Pixel. Like, come on, Google, you could have done better than that. The event made me even more want to buy the 10R. Same. Like, now the 10R doesn't look bad at all. At all. Roast resolution, RAM, notch, and the iPhone 10R is better. Exactly. I will make a video. If I do get the iPhone 10R, I'll be like 10 reasons why the iPhone 10R is better than the Pixel 3 XL. The face is, oh man. Now I want the 10R, but I have to wait for another year. Ah, that sucks. You could buy $950 Google Pixel with last year's weak Snapdragon 835. Why Google? Yeah, like, oh man, this is the laughing stock of 2018. Google, get ready for me to make some fun. This is gonna be a fun video to make. I honestly can't wait to roast you, Google. You asked for it, so here you go. I'll give it to you. So I guess I'm gonna go shoot these videos, edit them, post them as soon as possible. This is gonna be fun, guys. You're in for a treat. So, oh man, good luck, Google. And yeah, Google won't send me any products ever. That's a fact. Just take the Samsung hardware and use Google stock software. You'll have the perfect phone. Yeah, kinda. Or you could just go buy the Pocophone F1. It has the exact same CPU. It has more RAM, and it's probably better than the Pixel. Like, why should you buy an almost $1,000 phone with a face? Yes, the event has been on yet, and it was super boring. It was the most boring event I've ever seen. Worse than the Samsung one, probably. Actually, no, the Samsung one was a lot worse. Because this one, at least we were kind of excited, hoping that there was going to be one more thing. Pick Samsung Galaxy hardware and put Pixel software in it. You'll have the perfect phone. But literally, why did they make such bad hardware? I don't know. It's Google. So, anyway, I'm going to go, guys. So, you want to watch? Okay, if you want to watch it, it's on YouTube. You could just rewatch the stream when I end it. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the stream, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up down below. And of course, if you're new around here and you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button, ring the bell so you'll be notified when I do upload the roast videos about Google, because they're going to be fun. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to copy yourself some merch. The link is in the description below. How do you find it? Just go into YouTube and look for Google Pixel event, and you'll find it. It'll be easy. Or just wait for the stream to end, and then you'll just be able to watch my live reaction. Anyway, never buy Xiaomi. They spy on you worse than Google, and they only last year they break. Only until last year they break. Okay, then don't buy a Xiaomi phone. There you go. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Benji, and I'll catch you guys. Yes, you did come late, but don't worry, I will be making a full video covering the Pixel and all of their devices, which is gonna be fun. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. My name is Benji, and I'll catch you guys in the very next live stream. Peace out, because Google's really gonna need some peace right now. See you later, guys.